Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. I've had several people say Peter Obi was working against Biafra or Peter Obi denied us Biafra. I don't think so. They talked about Ezu River. Some said Peter Obi threw, it was the time of Masop, was Rike Masop. They said Peter Obi should account for the people who were thrown into Ezu River. That aside, somebody came to my post and commented, I posted something about how Nigeria mistreats the Igbo. The person started saying, I was a Peter Obi supporter. I shouldn't be saying this. Why did I support Peter Obi? It was as if Peter Obi's participation in the election stopped us from getting Biafra. I don't really think so. I think for Igbo in Nigeria, we should not put our eggs in one basket. Yes, don't cite Ambazonia for me, because Ambazonia has not gotten anywhere. Ambazonia is still pushing. You could say, some people are saying Ambazonian politicians boycotted the General Cameroon House. That is a different issue. Our case on Ambazonia is different. Remember, we have had it before. We have had a nation Biafra before. Ambazonia is still going through stages. Meanwhile, they are doing well. But what I'm trying to say here is, we cannot put our eggs in one basket, Igbos. Biafra is going to come by God's special grace, and we are earnestly praying for it. But while Nigeria remains, we cannot stop getting involved. Let me tell you, for those who are saying Peter Obi should not contest, remember we have governors in our state. We have various political positions that are contested, and we participated. Although those people who are Biafra agitators did not participate, but then, and we still receive allocations from Nigeria. So somehow, we are still involved. I don't see it that Peter Obi hindered our plan to get Biafra. No, everything is still in the pipeline. It's about some chose one Nigeria, the political move, and some chose Biafra. You don't put your eggs in one basket. Yes, if you are doing Biafra, continue, be consistent. Then if you have one Nigeria, whatever you get, you take. You have to also be consistent. Certainly, let me tell you, in a struggle like this, everybody will not be on your side. And there are people who are waiting to see something realistic before they get involved. But don't expect everybody to be on your side. And if people are not on your side, as in the agitation, that doesn't mean they are opposed to what you are doing. No. Then some actually are opposed. And, I hear the term sabo. You need to understand the meaning of sabotage. When somebody is sabotaging what you are doing, that is different from somebody agreeing with you. Everyone does not have to agree. Yes, it's even if you go to the case of Ambazonia, there are some who will not still agree. If you go to Catalonas, those who wants to part, there are some that still wants to keep Spain instead of splitting in the name of Catalonia. It's not always easy. We will not certainly lose out on all sides. No, we will continue to participate in a way we can. Yes. Then those who are for Biafra should focus on it. If it's if you no longer believe in Nigeria, well, focus on Biafra. Do what you're doing. Those who are still involved in Nigeria, okay, let's assume you are doing what is right. Continue to preach your message. The message will still get into their ear if the message is right and if you're doing the right things. Because there are certain things some people saw and said, I will not be part of this. I will not be part of that. Even those who decided not to participate in anything in Nigeria, there are certain things they saw too. They said, I will not be part of anything promoting one Nigeria. Then some that refuses Biafra too might have seen certain things. There are this infighting problem. There are many things, there are many reasons people could say, oh, I am not interested. Let's focus on building this nation, Nigeria. Some are saying, oh, Nigeria cannot move again. But I want to tell you that despite all odds, God has been sorting the Igbos out. Yes, God has been sorting us out. So please stop seeing Peter Obi as a hindrance. Okay, if there's a cause to settle with him, and he made a comment recently about how he queried what happened at his river, and from the government side, federal government side, he was asked to keep short and go his way. That aside, what I'm trying to say in rounding up, presidential ambition of an Igbo man does not stop our Biafra, depending on how you see it. And somebody told me on the international level, they will see it as if we are not united. No. For you who are looking towards the international level to get your Biafra, let me tell you, don't trust anybody. Focus on your goal. Don't wait for the white man. They are all aware of what is happening in Nigeria. That is what you should know. They are all aware. But if it's not about their interests, they will not get involved. So focus on your Biafra. If you say Biafra is a goal, focus. If you believe in one Nigeria, focus. And now I want to, in rounding up two, I want to tell Igbos, we don't have to destroy our place. Some people are telling us, you have to destroy and rebuild again. No, you don't have to burn down the whole place because we want freedom. No. Because we're telling people some businesses are moving to Asaba due to the sit at home. Now they are saying that even what we have, what we see as being big, as achievement now is useless. Yes. But then you don't have to destroy the one you have because you want something new. For me, let me tell you, because of what I've seen in the struggle, let me tell you, for those who are still querying my stand, let me tell you the fact. I am opposed to a lot of things I see in the struggle. And I will not be saying here, but I believe in freedom, but I believe it will come and God will give it to us. I don't trust anybody. I don't trust anybody. And I will not be praying for my place to be destroyed so that I will get freedom. We have passed through this before. Now, I'm not dissuading those who are saying they want freedom. I'm not dissuading anybody. Continue. But then, remember that not everyone will go with you. And also note, we will still receive allocations and several things from Nigeria. Note that. So, I will end this by saying, don't put your eggs in one basket. Those who are for Biafra, focus. Those who are for one Nigeria, focus. Thanks for watching. Please share widely. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't. Bye-bye for now.